Good day. So what you're seeing right now is WatsonX Studio. It's the enterprise studio for creating generative AI or large language models and also the traditional AI and machine learning. So right now, I'm going to tackle the traditional ways, specifically uh, the capability of the WatsonX Studio called AutoAI. So AutoAI is something really great for the enterprise because as a data scientist, so the way we do things is we create on my end, on my experience, we create three models, and out of those three models, we will pick a champion model. Now, picking those three models is pretty much difficult at from the start until the end, actually, because you have to pick within the plethora of different algorithms, and also you have to put in as well the the optimizations that you will do. So all of those you have to put them on a code, and you have to put three of those, right? So with regards to this, let's move forward and create our first auto AI. So I've already uploaded the data as you have seen earlier, credit data. So it computes the risk. It classifies if an individual is risk or no risk. So it's a classification job right now. So we're building the runtime. So drop data files here. So let's select it because I've uploaded it already. So what I have uploaded is this one. So this credit data for risk or no risk. So select. So again, it's a classification job, not a time series analysis or forecasting or whatever it is. So we pick no here. So what do you want to predict? So here we have risk. We can further change the experiment settings. So it already knows that it's a binary classification. So the data source we can look as well. So here is the data source right now. So runtime, you can check as well. And back to the prediction. So in the prediction, as you can see, you can change whatever metrics you want to focus on. So right now, let's say for example, I want an F1 measure. I can just click there. And then, as you can see here, the algorithms, we have a lot of algorithms already. And as I've said before, usually I just pick three models as a data scientist. Here, at the maximum, you can create four, and four means with the optimization involved, it could be around 16. But I'll just stick to two because uh, so that it would be fast when we train it. So save settings and then run experiment. So as you can see right now, the model is being trained. Models actually are being trained, and you can see them later here. So we're in the middle already of the training. So as you can see, it did a fold and 90-10 split. So it's now working on the different algorithms. So pipeline 1 is going to create this algorithm. with F1 measure involved. So right now, if you see a star, that means it's the champion model right now with regards to F1 measure. You can see the pipeline over here, so it's still creating some pipelines. So fast forwarding now, we're done. So as you can see, XGB classifier is our champion model with F1 measure 86. It created 8. So again, when I go back to what I said earlier, it create usually when we do it with Jupyter notebooks, Python, it would take around a month or so to create this because you have to create 3 codes with different enhancements or uh, the parameter the optimizations and also different algorithms. So if we look further, so let's say as a data scientist, you have to check the rock curve. So we just have to click the pipeline as you have seen there, and you can see the rock curve here in which you can inspect the other metrics and also a confusion matrix and the precision and recall curve. So we can also see the model information. So that's pipeline 4 and the feature summary. So the feature importance, as you can see here, can be seen. Now, let's say for example, you're happy already with this model. However, you still want to edit it and see what the code is. So you can also create it and turn it into a notebook. So you can do some coding on your end as well. Do your own optimization if you want to on the notebook level. So it will create a Jupyter notebook for you. But for now, let's just create it as a model already that we can put to deployment and production. So let's create the model. So now we have created a model for credit risk. So that's for AutoAI. And for the next one, I'll show you how we will deploy this on the deployment side.